switch. Now the current is now going to DP switch and the breaker now. So here other rod, connect the other rod here, and here is the neutral rod. So this is the red phase, yellow phase, and blue phase. After that, I'm going to show you how to connect an insulator and then industrial switch. So for industrial switch, take both the three phase, red, yellow, and blue for our case here. So inside our isolator, we are going to connect. One side here is the blue phase, here yellow phase, and red phase. After that, now you connect down here. Yellow face is, blue face is here, yellow face and red face. So that connection is full, but for our case here, don't have those fuses for here. So just for example. So this is our industrial switch. For those who don't know, the industrial switch is look like this one. This our cameraman is showing now. So that load is done from that side. So from the other side here, I'm going to show you how to wire a single bulb using three phase. Yeah. So